Okay, chipmunks scared me again. Good golly. I'm out looking for the litter of chipmunks that just darted between my legs. Yes, folks, they're playing underneath the stairs. So my neighbors must be feeding them because they're coming to me. I go out and sit out there and try and maneuver the camera, the trail cam, to catch the little chipmunks for critter television, and they just come right there and look at me and watch me set up the camera. It's the darndest thing. I can't help but say they are cuter than bugs here. It has been raining for 2 days straight, and boy has a garden ever exploded. I am pleased to say that the waterproof trail cam actually was waterproof for the last 2 days, so that's good. While you're trying to protect your garden from the chipmunks eating everything in sight, you must also take note that the wildlife was here first and just enjoy the antics of the circus of their day. They are actually little acrobats.